The Honda Civic has always been the smaller, younger, slightly more rebellious member of Honda's sedan family. But this 2027 Honda Civic concept, it looks like the Civic just borrowed the Accord's wardrobe, copied its hairstyle, and somehow made the whole thing look even sportier. Seriously, this might be the ultimate baby Honda Accord. Just look at the front. The hood sits low and wide, the grille stretches horizontally across the nose, and those extremely slim LED headlights give the car a much more mature and premium expression. It doesn't look angry for the sake of looking angry. It looks clean, confident, almost expensive. And that is exactly where the Accord influence starts to become obvious. The current Accord is known for its long, simple lines and understated front end. This Civic concept takes that same formula, shrinks it down, and adds just enough aggression to remind you that this is still supposed to be the younger car. The vertical lighting elements in the bumper give the front some personality, while the wide lower opening makes the car look lower and more planted than the average compact sedan. Then you move around to the side, and the Baby Accord comparison becomes even stronger. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, giving it an almost fastback-like silhouette. The body is clean, the door panels aren't covered in unnecessary creases, and the longer-looking proportions make this Civic appear much more grown-up than before. Honestly, remove the Civic badge and show this to someone from a distance. They might assume it's a new Accord Sport, but the shorter body and tighter proportions keep it from looking like a full-size family sedan. It still feels compact, still feels youthful, just considerably more polished. And then there's the rear. This might be the biggest transformation. The full-width lighting treatment visually stretches the car across the road, while the thin taillights give it a futuristic appearance without becoming overly complicated. Honda also kept the lower bumper incredibly clean. No oversized fake exhaust tips, no giant plastic diffuser pretending this is a race car. It's simple, modern, and surprisingly elegant. And that might be the most interesting thing about this concept. The Civic used to feel like the obvious budget-friendly alternative to the Accord. But this design makes it feel more like a smaller version of the same premium product, something that could give buyers the Accord's mature styling without the Accord's larger footprint. That could make it perfect for city driving, commuting, college students, first-time buyers, or anyone who wants a practical sedan that doesn't look cheap or boring. Of course, this concept is something we designed and not official, but if the next Civic redesign actually looks close to this, the Civic might be growing up in the best possible way. It still looks sporty, it still looks approachable, but now it has the presence of something from a class above. So, what do you think of our concept? Let us know in the comments below.